today's video, I will teach you step by step making paper butterfly and toilet roll for Earth Day craft. Please watch my video. Hey guys, today, welcome back to another video. Hey guys, I wish that today you had fun and we're gonna make today funner. So we're gonna make a pretty paper butterfly. So first you need like nice pretty paper. If you don't have it, that's good. You can still have a white paper, then decorate it after you've made it. But first, we need to fold like a triangle. So fold it like it's a triangle. And then open it up and turn it around and do it in the other side. After you do that, you have to push those two lines into the center. And after you're done that, it should be like this. Okay? So you need to put one side to the other side and another side to another side. So it should be like a small triangle. And then cut one of the sides, which is opening. You see these openings? Cut it. And then open it again. And then fold it into the center. So two-sided into the center. And do you see the triangle up ahead? Then you turn around and then fold the triangle. There's your butterfly. Now you just have to push it into the center. And there's our butterfly. Two beautiful butterflies. Wow, how beautiful are these? Bye. Hope you guys liked this video. And the last video, we made like a butterfly. We're gonna decorate it. But first you need a toilet roll. That's used because today is Earth Day. And then we're going to need a red piece of paper and you don't need tape or glue. Just roll it. Roll. So after you roll it, it should be like this. And if it opens, then we're gonna stuck these paper inside these bottles. So we're going to stuck it in. So do the same thing on the other side. Now, a perfect red. A perfect red. Now we can tape the butterfly onto the pencil case. We need to tape it. If you have glue gun or glue, you can use these materials too. I would like to use these tape because I don't have glue gun or glue. Okay, we're going to tape these butterflies on to the bookcase. If your butterfly is going to fly off, then we need to tape it on. Again, we need to tape it on. Perfect. This is what we have, a pencil box. This is all we have for Earth Day. I also made paper peacocks video, paper animal video. Please subscribe my video and give a like to your friend, Vicky. See you next time.